Hi, this is Carol Rose Atkinson. I'm a licensed marriage family therapist in Fontana, California. I am talking to you today about the immigration work that I've been doing for a number of years now. I write psychological evaluations that help towards your loved one to become a resident of this country. The report is somewhere between about 8 to 12 pages. And it's going to tell that story about the hardships that you would experience if your loved one was no longer with us here, or what they would experience as well, or even your children. Whoever's in your life that may have a loss due to somebody being deported. And I've heard so many stories. I mean, these stories can break your heart. People that have been in this country 20, 30 years that would like to become residents, and maybe they're scared to step up and take the step to finally become a resident and possibly a citizen as well. These stories are told over a period of time. I usually do at least 3 sessions. We talk about those hardships that you would experience, the financial hardships, health problems, the people that you're taking care of that you wouldn't be there for anymore. All kinds of stories that are going to tell those compelling hardships. Now, anybody that has been through this understands that this is a difficult thing, and it's scary. And I am a therapist, so as part of the process, I help you to process your feelings. Something that some cultures have difficulty even admitting they have. Maybe they think that having feelings are a weakness, but I'm here to tell you they're not. I'm going to diagnose you if you have a disorder of any sort. Maybe you have some anxiety or some depression. You're having trouble sleeping. There's all kinds of stories that I've heard. You could be the spouse of this person or the child of this person. Every story is different. At the end of these sessions, you're going to have this report in hand, and you're going to be able to bring it to whoever's preparing your packet. That could be an attorney, an agent, or maybe you're doing it yourself. But whomever is doing this, I have such a heart for this, as my father also came from another country. And unfortunately, I didn't get to know him because he went back, and I didn't get to meet him in my lifetime. So, of course, I want to help you make a difference to keep your loved one here. So give me a call. My number is 909-693-3177. My website is caroladkisson.com. That is www.caroladkisson.com. And if you look under immigration, under my specialties, you'll see a section that you can read, or you can look at my videos. You can also look under the form section. I have special immigration forms that need to be filled out before we get you started. And all of the information is there. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'd be glad to help you. Get you to residency status and maybe even citizenship status. Anyway, you have a good day.